Have you ever wondered how these bricks are made? Join us on a journey through the fascinating process as we showcase the craftsmanship and innovation behind this ancient building material. The process of making bricks begins with clay, a component of sedimentary rock commonly found on floodplains, riverbanks, or where bodies of water used to be. What makes clay special is that it becomes plastic and moldable when wet, but becomes hard and durable when fired. Another type of soil commonly used is loam, which is a mixture of clay, sand, and silt. Loam soils are prized for their balanced composition and are often found in agricultural areas. The collection of loam involves carefully selecting areas with the right balance of clay, sand, and silt to ensure the quality of the bricks. Once the soil is collected, it is then transported to the brickyard for further processing. This marks the beginning of the journey from raw soil to the finished brick. After the soil is collected, it undergoes a refining process to remove impurities and large debris such as rocks and roots and ensure uniformity. This refining is typically done using special machinery that sifts through the soil, separating the big particles from the smaller ones. The screened soil is then transferred to a storage area, ready for the next stage of processing. Did you know the Great Wall of China, one of the world's most iconic structures, utilized bricks extensively in its construction? Despite its immense size, stretching over 13,000 miles, the wall showcases the durability of brick construction, with many parts remaining intact centuries after their initial construction. Did you also know that up to 400,000 people died while building the Great Wall, many of whom were convicts? It is believed many are buried within the wall itself. Next, a key transformation occurs with the addition of kalkstein and brandkalk to the soil. These substances alter the soil's composition, making it stick together better, which is important for making high-quality bricks. The soil goes through a process called weathering, which involves exposing it to the elements for some time. This natural process helps the soil break down gradually, making it easier to work with. Weathering helps to improve the plasticity of clay soils and ensures a more consistent texture throughout the process. Once the soil has been weathered enough, it is then mixed with water to create a slurry. This slurry undergoes another round of refinement, passing through screens and filters to eliminate any remaining impurities. The refined soil is now ready for the next stage of the brick-making process. The first step in this phase is forming, where the soil is shaped into brick molds to create individual bricks. This can be done using either molding or extrusion techniques, depending on the desired characteristics of the bricks. Once compacted, the excess soil is trimmed off, leaving behind neatly formed bricks. Molding allows for flexibility in brick design and can accommodate various sizes and shapes. Alternatively, extrusion involves forcing the refined soil through a die or mold to create continuous lengths of brick-shaped material. The extruded material is then cut into individual bricks of uniform size and shape. Extrusion is a more efficient method for producing large quantities of bricks quickly and consistently. Regardless of the method used, forming is an important step in the brick-making process, as it determines the size, shape, and structural integrity of the bricks. After forming, The newly shaped bricks undergo a drying process to remove excess moisture and prepare them for firing. Proper drying is necessary to prevent cracking or distortion during the firing process and ensure the brick's strength and durability. Bricks are typically dried in controlled environments, such as drying chambers or tunnels, where temperature and humidity levels can be carefully regulated. This helps ensure uniform drying and prevents uneven moisture distribution within the bricks. The drying process may take several days to complete, depending on factors such as brick size, thickness, and ambient conditions. The bricks gradually lose moisture during drying, causing them to shrink slightly. This shrinkage helps improve the brick's density and strength, making them more resilient to thermal stress and mechanical forces. Once dried, the bricks are ready for firing, a process that involves subjecting them to high temperatures in kilns. Firing is a critical stage in the brick-making process, as it imparts strength, durability, and desirable properties to the bricks. Kilns are large, insulated chambers or furnaces designed to withstand high temperatures. Bricks are loaded into the kiln in carefully arranged stacks or layers, allowing for even heating and uniform firing. The firing process typically involves heating the bricks to temperatures ranging from 1000 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, 537 to 1093 degrees Celsius, over several hours. During firing, several chemical and physical changes occur within the bricks. The heat causes the clay minerals in the bricks to undergo vitrification, where they soften and fuse, forming a dense, solid structure. Once the bricks have been fired and cooled in the kiln, they are then ready for the final making process. The first step in this phase is striking. Striking involves removing any excess material or imperfections from the bricks to ensure a smooth and uniform finish. This is typically done using specialized tools such as wire cutters or trimmers. Workers carefully inspect each brick, trimming off any rough edges or irregularities to enhance its appearance and functionality. Striking is essential because it ensures that the bricks will fit together neatly when used in construction, creating a strong and aesthetically pleasing finish. After striking, the bricks are sorted based on their quality and appearance. This is vital in ensuring that only the best bricks are used in construction projects. Once sorted, the bricks are stacked and prepared for transportation to construction sites. Proper stacking is important to prevent damage during transit and ensure that the bricks arrive at their destination in good condition. Bricks are typically stacked on pallets or in crates, with protective layers between each layer to prevent scratching or chipping. This careful handling helps preserve the integrity of the bricks and ensures that they are ready for immediate use upon arrival at the construction site. Brickmaking involves several steps that need to be done to turn raw materials into good bricks for building. From soil collection and preparation to molding, drying, firing, inspection, and distribution, every step requires careful planning, execution, and quality control to ensure that the production is durable, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please feel free to hit the notification bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future episodes. Thanks for watching.